'cause space makes me sad.
1, 2, 3. What up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my video. As you can see from the title of this video, I'm gonna be swapping my closet with my best friend, Joey, which is also my housemate. So this video is gonna be starting from Monday to only Friday because on Saturday and Sunday I wouldn't be around. So yeah, plus on Thursday and Friday we're a little bit busy and we miss out on most part of the footage for Thursday and Friday. Forgive us for that. But then, other than that, on Monday to Friday it was super hectic and like we had like classes to go and we have errands to run. It was super busy. So yeah, okay, the purpose of this video again is to emphasize how different our style is. Like Joey, what's your style?
My style is definitely not her style.
Which is?
I will wear like cargo pants. I don't wear skirts.
Yeah, she hates dress, she hates skirts, she hates anything girly.
Yeah,
and
but her closet is everything girly.
Yeah, I have flowers, which she hates the most. I have floral prints and I have a lot of like warm tone stuff, dresses, skirts, all the ruffles things. Yeah, she hates it and she has to wear my stuff and I have to wear her stuff. Okay, I'm not a big fan of, I used to not be a big fan of cargo pants, but then later on I found out that cargo pants are actually quite versatile and I kind of like it. I'll consider buying them more often.
So many pockets, you can put everything.
I don't even have to bring back at that moment. Okay, so all in all, like I said, it was a pretty great experience and I enjoyed doing it with her, my best friend.
I actually kind of like your jumpsuit. It was very comfortable.
She likes wearing the jumpsuit. Wow, okay. Plus, besides this is the first time I'm actually collaborating a video with someone, so I'm really grateful and it's my honor to be collaborating with her. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to the video. Good morning! Okay guys, today is Monday. I'm done with my makeup and I'm done with my hair. Now I have to go to Joey's room and pick out some clothes for myself. So let's go! Hello! She's doing her makeup, so now let's explore her closet. Hehehehe. And also she has this part of her closet. It's all her bottoms, like yeah, denim and stuff. Hey, I kinda like this skirt. This is also where she placed all her bottoms, some of her bottoms and some of her crop tops. Hey! Okay, yeah, I think this skirt is cute. Should I pair it with this? Or should I pair it with this? Okay, I'll take this. Okay, here I'm wearing her first outfit for Monday and I noticed that I need a jacket because my class is really cold and sorry that my mirror is at super awkward length that I can't see my face, but yeah, this mirror came like this, so yeah. And I'm gonna go to her closet and pick a jacket for me to wear to class. So yeah, this is my final look with the denim jacket, super cropped, super cute. Alright, let's move on to Joey's look.
Oh no!
She got a funny pants. Oh no! Yeah, this this is something I made throughout the whole MCO period. I mean the whole quarantine period. So yeah, she chose this as a top, and now she's picking a jacket. She already know what she's gonna wear tomorrow. Oh my god. No laughing. Ta-da! Okay, just a further update on what I did today. This is super random, but yeah, this is my workspace. Okay, so guys, we decided to choose the outfit a day before. Today is still Monday night, so she's choosing her outfit for Tuesday. Because usually Tuesday morning will be late, so so she decided to choose in advance. And like I picked up 4 outfits for her to choose. I wanted to challenge her because she has never ever worn floral prints before. So she's not choosing and she's jumping. Floral prints are just not her things because she wanted me to wear cargo pants tomorrow, so I wanted to get back at her.
No, 不可以这个太小声了。
Okay. Actually, I think this is nice. You wanna go try? Try. Okay, she'll go try this. Okay, so now she's picking out my outfit for tomorrow, and I think she wants me to wear that cargo pants. This one, oh my god, but yeah, shit. Okay. Hi guys, so this is the complete look. And Joey is getting ready inside. My god, I look so different. Thanks to Joey, I look like a PUBG player. I have a lot of pockets with me today. I have it here, 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 and basically the whole pants are pockets. Okay, so this is how Joey looks like. Oh my god, she's so pretty. She looks like a fairy. I don't know why she doesn't dress like this more often. She'd be like so pretty. I mean, she's also pretty in like this, right? But then, yeah, she's not used to floral anyway, so. So this is our final look for Tuesday. Oh my god, total switch character, man. I look like a PUBG player and she looks like
I used to be a PUBG player, but now I'm a fairy.
Okay, see you at school. Okay guys, so this is my classmate. They unplanned this outfit. This is Natasha and this is Tiffany. They both look gorgeous. They wore this, they did not plan this, you know. Nat! You're gonna be in my video though. And this is the lovely Farah and Jason.
I know, what do you think?
This is Nat.
What's this for? Is this a vlog?
Yeah, kinda. Not really, but because I'm like changing closet with Joey for a week and this is like what I do on Tuesday.
Oh!
Yeah! Can you not
Oh my god! That's why! Are you asking me?
Yeah.
This is our vlog now. Hi! If you don't subscribe to Wendy's channel, you're a loser.
Something's gonna happen to you.
Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more of us.
I'm wearing the jacket that my boyfriend made. Yay! Okay, because I forgot to pick up a jacket to school today because the class is so cold. So yeah, this is our previous project. This is the jacket that he made. It's super heavy, but that's the job.
Hi, now it's me on the camera. Okay, let's see Wendy. She's very frustrated with the top. Wait! Why are you so angry? How are you feeling now?
Super frustrating. I don't like that thing. Okay, I'm gonna cut everything. Stop filming me.
Challenge fail.
Stop.
Thanks.
This is my bitch. Fit Mia Stripes Project jacket. Wait, what kind of fabric she's using? Leather, is it?
Leather, I think.
No, it actually looks good like behind there. It looks good there.
Hey, so I'm at Joey's closet, and today is Wednesday. We don't wear pink here, but yeah, I need to look for something convenient. So today, for the look that I picked out from Joey's closet would be this set of this is a Guess tank top, and this is another white cargo pants because cargo pants is her life. And yeah, I feel like this is really cute. Look at her looking at my clothes. Oh no, it's okay what? It's nice. So this is what we came up with today. She's looking so girly.
So lovely.
But it's so pretty. And I'm looking not very me too.
So swag.
So swag. Alright, we're doing some fabric shopping here. And I'm looking for a net fabric for my stuff, my school stuff. This is the one I picked out. And this, we're having Joey, our special guest of this video. It's Thursday morning, and again I'm picking out my 4th outfit from Joey's closet. Okay, so I'll be wearing these because like I said, I want something really comfy, and I'll be wearing another cargo pants of Joey's. So this is what I'm wearing today. It's the cropped Adidas t-shirt with the mint green stripes at the sides, and another cargo pants. It's already been the 3rd cargo pants of the week, and I'm feeling great about it because cargo pants is super comfy. Yeah, I'm just gonna bun to school today because I'm so lazy to set my hair. Even my makeup is super simple, I think. Just picking her clothes for my closet today. This is the outfit that Joey chose for Thursday. So this is our Thursday swap. Current school situation.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm so tired right now. So after we came home and then we were rushing assignment like crazy, and it's about it's almost 2 AM right now, and I have not even nearly finished my assignment, but I really have to sleep because tomorrow I have to wake up at 6 in the morning. Sorry if I did not update enough with you guys on this Thursday vlog. So anyone here, if you are considering to take fashion design courses, think twice. Until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night! Good morning guys, today is Friday, also another busy day, so without further ado, let's get to choosing the Friday outfit. Yep, another day of reaching this same closet. Okay, so this is the last outfit for the last day of this challenge that I choose. Okay, I would say this is by far my favorite look, I think. And now it's Joey's turn to pick an outfit for the last day of the challenge. We are all so tired. Oh my god. So this is what she chose. We actually have a twinning, what do you call this? Really tight fitting crop top, not crop top, tank top. But mine is black and hers is orange. Technically mine is orange, hers is black. Look like we're going to party, but then I look like I'm going to party, but actually I'm going to class. Oh my god, I'm so tired. We are both super tired. Okay, so this is the last day of our challenge, and this is the outfit that we picked. We survived, we made it. Okay guys, so we have reached the last day of this video and it's a wrap. So far, I really do enjoy it because, well, her closet isn't all bad. It's cute. So thank you guys for watching this video. Again, if you do enjoy it, please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button, ding ding, and turn on the notification bell for more further video updates. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!